I just built this sleep tracker app using Claude Design, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can build this too in just 1 minute using nothing else except for Claude. And also it requires zero coding, just take a look at it. So this is the prompt I decided to insert into Claude Design. A sleep tracker app with some details attached to it. Now, the main reason I want to make these videos is just to show you how easy it is to build apps nowadays. A lot of people are not realizing that you do not require any sort of coding experience no more. You can just type it in plain English. So this is the app that I was able to make for me. It is not perfect, but remember, this took just around 1 minute. If it took about a day, I could really just vibe code this into a beautiful piece of art. All it takes is just a bit of extra time to fine tweak the details. But if I want to have, for example, a different theme, I press dawn or moonlight, or I want the sleep score to be different, you can see I can change this all just to see that other things change. Like here, I didn't sleep too much, so it called me restless or disturbed or decent or solid or restorative, I think is what it says right there. I can't read that well. Don't worry about it. I can also change the score button or duration or sleep mode active at the bottom. If, for example, I'm sleeping, so you can keep track for me, as you can see by that button right there. All it took me was right around 1 minute, maybe 20 seconds or so of actually typing in exactly what I was looking for, and then a couple of minutes of waiting for Claude Design to make it. Now, if I wanted to turn this into an actual properly working app that I could use on my phone or I could use on my laptop or whatever, all I have to do is send this to Claude Code. Now, you may be wondering, how does that work? How do you take this design that you've built and turn it into actual proper code with a proper backend? All you have to do is press the share button on the top right, and there's a button that says hand off to Claude Code. Now, what is Claude Code going to do? Depending on what you ask it to do, it can actually build all the code that is required for you to have a properly functioning app. Because this works, sure, but there's a lot of functionality you may want to add that Claude Design is kind of too stupid to do or whatever, or you want to see the actual code and backend of it, whatever. Just send it to Claude Code so you can tell it exactly what you want the app to do. It'll build out the rest for you once the design is done, and it's literally that simple. Requires a couple of minutes of your time, and you've got absolutely beautifully working apps. If you like these type of tutorials, make sure you go ahead and press that like button, and hopefully I'll see you guys again another one. So make sure you follow, because I post these type of things every single day.